We are so
actually
fucked.
crawling in it.
I know.
Now he's making more of an effort because he knows that we're taking pictures. Who's the other one?
Oh my god.
Oh, what was that?
Who is that? I know it's Gary and somebody, but I don't know who it is.
Tom, I think.
Tom.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Feeding those dogs.
It's actually really bad. She's funny. Oh my god, his hat's completely gone.
His hair's going
Look,
grey.
his hair is totally grey. I'd be copping. Oh, me too. I'd be.
I would just give up, just even going that far out of this place. I'd give
Christina
up.
went down already. She must be
Are
like.
you filming this?
Yeah. What?
They will not be able to feed the dogs like that.
No.
At all.
The dogs will starve.
No, we have to wait to finish.
He's
gone straight out there.
He's worried because he's heading off to get a hat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm also worried. I don't know when he's planning to come in or.